Logistics maintenance is a big deal.
Right.
I mean, we've been talking about how we're looking at the AWACS engines and everything else, and looking at the history of the engines based on, wear and tear and weather conditions and where they've actually flown, and come out with a process. Right now we can determine when the engine has to be maintained and determine when the parts have to be, when the engine needs to be maintained. So we're actually moving parts around now dynamically to actually determine where they should be repaired. And so this has been saving lots of millions of dollars, because usually you just don't pull an engine off a plane and maintain it. I mean, it's difficult enough because it takes forever to do that. So what you want to do is predict when they have to actually do it and what parts they actually need, and that's what we're getting to right now. We're actually doing this with another one of the aircraft as well as we're starting it. But the issue behind this is always you have to have enough history data, enough flying data, enough IoT sensor data to actually come up with a very good prediction of what needs to be done. That's always been the problem with all of the engine data that we have, because you need history, because everything's data-driven. I mean, we're also doing this with the truck fleet as well. We're looking at the truck fleet across the board, because we have lots and lots of trucks. I don't think the Air Force does, but we have one of the biggest truck fleets out there.